Welcome to today's video where we'll show you how to make delicious pasta from scratch. Get ready to satisfy your taste buds. While the pasta is cooking, let's prepare the sauce. In a separate pan, heat olive oil and add minced garlic. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add diced tomatoes, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Now, let's check on the pasta. It should be al dente, firm but not too soft. Drain the pasta and set it aside. Add the cooked pasta to the pan with the sauce. Toss it gently to coat the pasta evenly. Garnish the pasta with fresh basil leaves and grated Parmesan cheese. It adds a burst of flavor and freshness. Serve the pasta hot and enjoy your homemade Italian masterpiece. Buon appetito!